Three. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to learn about email protocols. So we are going to see how to enable and disable the email protocols. But let's understand what is email protocol is. So email protocols are basically the protocols or rich set of protocols which helps you in accessing and getting your emails downloaded to the local machine from the web server. So accessing as an authentication. So there are protocols which helps you in authenticating your account, and then there are protocols which helps you in downloading your emails to your local machine so that you can access it offline. So basically we are going to learn about two protocols this time. The very first one is IMAP. So IMAP helps you in authenticating to web server, and it helps you in accessing your Outlook account on the web or on the application. And then we have POP3 or POP, you can say, which is Post Office Protocol, which helps you in downloading a copy of the files in your local machine, and then it can also help you in accessing those emails offline. So we are going to see how to enable and disable in Exchange Online, because there are some environments which will start using modern authentication. So modern authentication is applied to your Exchange Online. So some admins may need that the IMAP or POP protocol is disabled on the Exchange Online environment. So how you can disable or enable the IMAP and POP3 protocol in the Exchange? So let's see that. So first of all, we need to navigate to Exchange Admin Center. So we are into Exchange Admin Center. Let's under recipient, we'll click on mailboxes. Okay. So let's do this for a particular user for just for testing purposes. Let's select this account, this Elena Shepherd. So I will click on this account. Okay. Then I will scroll down, and in here email apps and mobile devices, the very first option is manage email apps settings. So I will click on this. Now you can see that there are multiple protocols are available, that Exchange Web Services are on IMAP and POP3. So we need to disable IMAP and POP3. So I'll just disable the IMAP for this account and POP3 for this account, and just click on save. So now you can see that the IMAP and POP3 protocol is disabled for this particular account. I could refresh it just to check if the settings has been taken place or not. Okay, let's check that account, Alina Shepherd. Let's scroll down, manage email app setting. You can see IMAP and POP3 is disabled. Also, you can do the same, that to enable it, just click on enable and just click on save. So these settings will be saved. And also, if you want to perform the same action for multiple users, what you can do is just select the users, all users, click on edit, and then click on app settings. So from here you can disable or enable the settings as you like. Just enable, okay, and then click on save. Okay, so you need to add the default policy here. Okay, so my default policy is over. I'll select this and I'll click on save. So the moment I click on save, the setting will be applied for all the users. Okay, so that's how you enable or disable IMAP and POP3 protocol for all accounts or for single accounts. And that's it for today's video. And in case you have any doubts, or you can just leave your doubts in the comment box. And also please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning. Goodbye.